filters in there. I wonder what that is. See, I was doing this yesterday, but after about 10-15 tries, it finally got it started. I could do that again, but I really don't want to, because all I'm doing is burning the shit out of the starter. So, I'll try it one more time. I thought it was out of gas, so I went and got gas for it, and that was last night. I don't know what it is, because I just put even more gas in it today, thinking it might be the fuel pump's going out. I don't know, this thing was sitting for quite a while, so I mean, fuel pump would be, I'm hoping it's, see, it'll start after the 10th or 15th try. I got it to start, but it runs like crap. See? Well, now it's kind of running better. But it's still kind of shaky. I'm thinking, well, I don't want to die, so I think it might be fuel filter or something. See, it's running a little bit better, and it's still no check engine light. I got gas in it now. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know. Didn't want to run it too long. Fumes. But this might be a classic syndrome or something. I don't know, I haven't been doing this for a while, so if y'all know what it is, please let me know.